Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about conversion of degree Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. In previous competitive exams like Staff Selection Commission, Railway Recruitment Board and all types of exams, such types of questions has been asked, and in future also such types of questions would be asked. So it is very important lesson. That's why we must have to prepare for it. It has only one formula. Formula number 1, degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. Okay, and here also it is to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit, and to convert degree Fahrenheit into Celsius we have degree Fahrenheit is equals to 9 by 5 multiplied by degree Celsius plus 32. Like this two formula we are having here. I will show you how to solve both types of questions with the help of the single formula. So let us take one example. Here is the first example. Convert 122 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So let us solve according to the question. We are going to convert 122 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So we have to write the degree Celsius formula. Degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. F is nothing but Fahrenheit. Like here C is nothing but Celsius. Okay. So degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by what's given here, F means Fahrenheit, that is 122 minus 32. Okay, so degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by 2 minus 2 0, 12 minus 3 that is 9. Now simplest it, 9 ones are 9, 9 tens are 90, 5 tens are 50. Therefore degree Celsius is equals to 50. It means we can say that therefore 120 degree Fahrenheit is equals to 50 degree Celsius. Like this we can solve. If the question is like this, means same example we will take here, means you will understand better. Convert 50 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Like this question has been asked. You know very well that now our answer would come 122 degree Fahrenheit because already it has given. So let us check with this formula. Degree Fahrenheit is equals to 9 by 5 multiplied by degree Celsius plus 32. Okay, so degree Fahrenheit is equals to, actually we should draw it very smaller, like ring only. Don't draw it like a dot. 9 by 5 multiplied by degree Celsius. How much degree Celsius is given? 50. Bracket closed plus 32. Simplest it. 5 tens are 50. 9 tens are, that is 90 plus 32. 90 plus 32 is 122. Therefore we can say that 50 degree Celsius is equals to 120 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, now I have used here this formula to find out, means to convert 50 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Here I will now solve the same question with this formula only, means it will help us. If we remember only one formula, it's easy to remember two formula. Okay, so we should learn, we should remember less and we should do more. Okay, so let us solve with the first formula only. Here I have taken the same example and now I will solve with the first formula. Okay, so here is the first formula. Degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. Okay, degree Celsius given already, that is 50. We should put the given amount at the place of the symbols. Okay, 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. Okay, now you know very well that according to the properties of equalities, one video I have shared that properties of equalities, there you could learn more. If we want to change the place of 5 by 9 towards the LHS of the equation, then it will be like this: 50 multiplied by, we will get its reciprocal, that is 9 by 5. Now it is remain F minus 32, like this. Now we know that 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50, and here also 10 into 9, that is 90, is equals to F minus 32. Okay, now 90, it is minus 32, it will become plus 32. Why it is minus become plus? Over this operation only I have made special videos. You have to watch that to clear these concepts. Okay, is equals to what remain here? F. 9 plus 3 12, and that 2 means 122. F is equals to 122. Therefore we can say that 50 degree Celsius is equals to 122 degree Fahrenheit. In this way, by learning this one formula, we can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit, and degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Means we can convert like this with the help of the only one formula. It is difficult to understand this method. You may watch the previous video of properties of equalities, or you have to remember these two formulas. Okay, let us take next examples. Let us take third example, that is convert 80 degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. You know very well that we have to use only one formula. If you are not understanding, you may use the given formula. Degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. So what is given here? 80 degrees given here. We will use the symbol of degree at last. 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. 80 multiplied by 9 by 5, it will become reciprocal, is equals to F minus 32. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 16 nines are 144, is equals to F minus 32. 144 plus 32 is equals to F. 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 3 7, and it is 1, is equals to F. Means we can say that 80 degree Celsius is equals to 170 degree Fahrenheit. Like this you may check. In your mobile you have the converter. There also you can type 80 degree Celsius. It will represent 176 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, let us take the next example. 284 degree Fahrenheit is equals to dash degree Celsius. It means we have to convert 284 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So we will write the same formula of degree Celsius, that is degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by F minus 32. Okay, so degree Celsius, no, it is not given, so we will write here degree Celsius 5 by 9 multiplied by F means Fahrenheit, and how much Fahrenheits are given here? 284 minus 32. So degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 multiplied by 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 3, 5, and 2 is to 2. We can simplest it. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, remaining 7, 9 eights are 72. So degree Celsius is equals to 5 eights are 40, carried 4, 5 twos are 10 plus 4, 14. Therefore we can say that 284 degree Fahrenheit is equals to 140 degree Celsius. Okay, you may take more examples like this. So dear friends, this is what about the conversion of degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit and degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Okay, I hope your concepts are clear. You have to take more examples on your own and check it. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.